Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I get to vlog where there are a lot of people. I usually feel shy, especially in this context, but I'm going to share with you how I got pampered today. Hi guys, how are you feeling? How are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, you like this video, you share. What's up my people? So part of the content that will be shared on this YouTube channel is about my lifestyle, basically the simple things I get to do in my personal life. So this is my hair after being washed. And just so you know, these are artificial locks. I'm planning to stay with them for 10 months. So far, I have stayed with them for 3 months and they got installed at this salon. You'll get to know later towards the end of the video which salon is this and how you can go about it. So let's get started. This is how they get to retouch the hair. Many of you will have questions as to why artificial locks, why will somebody be interested to have something artificial. So this is for anyone who really loves the dread vibes, and for just anyone who willing to wish to have their hair locked forever. That is why artificial locks are there. So I tried this last year, and after the hair growth was amazing, and I was almost losing my hairline, but this locks actually retained them back, and I can say it's something that I'd highly recommend to someone. But you need to get a good salon and you need to maintain it so well so that it doesn't destroy your hair, and that is why this year I decided to have it back. That is Mark Gakuo. He has been styling me for so long, since I started having artificial locks last year. I removed them towards the end of the year and this year. So this style is called the petal style. I have decided to use to try out that style today and see where it takes me. So how do you get started? If you have natural hair and you feel like you need to have artificial locks, you just call them. You call them, you book an appointment, you go, they installation will take you around 2 hours. After the installation, now they will style you, and then what you'll be doing is now getting to retouch and styling. What I do, I usually retouch and style once a month. The last time I retouched my hair was last month 15th, if I'm not wrong, because I received the news of the death of my cousin on 14th, and 15th morning I got to style my hair is when I traveled for the burial. Yeah, that's it. So today I went back. So those are around 3 weeks, and the goodness of this hair is that, 1, it grows the length of your hair. 2, and how does it grow the length of your hair? You know, the way you have your natural hair, you keep combing it, and then you have some of your hair getting out. I mean, you'll see them even on the comb. For this hairstyle, you'll not be combing your hair. So that means your hair will still remain the same, and the length will be retained. And then secondly, for me, I feel like it saves me money, because I'm a person who does braids, who does what, and most of the time I don't end up staying with braids for the whole month, especially abujas. I get to style my hair, and then in the next 2 weeks, done with the hairstyle. So this is me on the dryer. The hair needs to dry up. Look at my beautiful skin, the glow. Wow. This is the view of the salon from where I'm seated, and I can tell it's a very good investment. They have a barber shop, they have a nail parlor, they have a massage parlor, they do tattoos, they do microblading. Voila! Mintos. Mintos is located at Mwembe Tayari, where there's the Naivas supermarket, 2nd floor. You can check them out on Instagram and everywhere. I wish and I pray that I come to interview the owner of this salon. His name is Tony. He's the one on this picture, the guy in the white shirt.
3, 2, 1.
Guys, that is the final look. You can contact him and book an appointment if you want to. You can check out Mintos on all social media handles, on Instagram, Facebook, and you can see the amazing work they are doing. Go try them out. I'd highly recommend them for artificial locks. They've never failed or disappointed me, and the people have recommended there. So these are some of the hairstyle I had last year. I just decided to attach the pictures so that you can see how it looks like. And this is me when they were now removing the locks. That is last year. I can tell you I witnessed the growth of my hair. These are still some of the pictures of last year. Actually, the person style removing me also has artificial locks, you can see. And wow, thank you for watching till the end.